In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly upload multiple images at once to NotebookLM. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this process will streamline your workflow and save you significant time. So let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, in the search bar, type in NotebookLM. NotebookLM is a remarkable tool that allows you to manage your notes and resources efficiently. It's a valuable addition to your productivity toolkit, especially when handling large volumes of visual data. After typing NotebookLM, press Enter, and from the search results, locate the official site of NotebookLM. Click on the link to open their website. This will take you directly to the main page of NotebookLM, where you can access a variety of features designed to enhance your note-taking and organization experience. Once you're on the NotebookLM homepage, find the option that says Try NotebookLM. Clicking on this link will guide you to a page where you can explore all the functionalities that NotebookLM has to offer. This is particularly useful for new users who want to get a feel of the platform before committing. Now, look for the Create New button. Clicking this will open a new notebook or workspace where you can start organizing your media and notes. This feature is especially great because it allows you to customize your projects according to your needs right from the start. At this point, you should see an option labeled Upload Sources. This is the section where you can upload files directly into your notebook. It's a straightforward process and enables you to populate your workspace with all the resources you need without any hassle. To select multiple images to upload, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. As you continue to hold it, click on each image you wish to upload. This handy trick allows you to select multiple files simultaneously, saving you from the tedious task of clicking one by one. It's an effective way to ensure that all necessary files are uploaded at once. Once you've selected all the images you need, click on the Open button. Doing this will begin the upload process. Now, all the selected images will be uploaded into your NotebookLM workspace. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. With these steps, you can efficiently manage your images in NotebookLM, ensuring that you always have the right files at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy organizing!